Hey, what's up guys from Roberts Media. In this video we have a new review about the SD card reader for iPhone or iPad. It is dual slot and it have TF and SD card. Let's now jump into the video. So you can see we have it on the box. Now let's go ahead and open this up and see what we got here. So you can see here's the adapter. Really nice. Let's see what we got on the box. The instructions here. That's right. We got all the instructions here, how to troubleshoot. Alright, let's put this aside. Well, as you can see, I have the adapter, and now we proceed to remove it from here. So we can see what we can do with this adapter. Okay, right now we have the adapter with us. As you can see, it's a really well-made adapter. I would definitely recommend it, so you can transfer your data from your camera or from your Android device. It'll transfer really fast, and for me it's a great option. It has 2 slots, so right here I'll show you right now. As you can see, you just basically need to insert one of the SD cards on these slots. Right, I'll take one for you to show you how to do it. You just plugged in the lighting head, and then you can insert the SD card. It'll transfer real fast. I definitely recommend it. This is a great option, guys. When you want to transfer the pictures from your camera, and you can share it from your social media immediately. It's a great option for the price. I will definitely go ahead and buy another one. So guys, this has been the video. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I really thanks for all the people who has decided to contribute to support my channel. It's really appreciated. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Roberts Media out.